So for some reason, due timer, Arduino is telling me that due timer is incompatible with my board, even though I've used it before. So I'm just gonna go through my connections and explain the code. So here I've connected the LED with a resistor to a button, and the button is connected to power, and also connected to the inputs over here. And I I first of all I'll show my uh, the first question. We were meant to do the same thing as in the tutorial, so I attached this handler to the timer, and then I attached this handler to the button. So when the button is clicked, the state is put to false and the timer is started. And then every uh, this many units of time, it's then activates this timer handler, and that negates the current state, and the state is initially set to false. And the second question, as requested, the state is also initially set to false, and then when you call it, I don't use the timer here, I use only the interrupts connected to the button pin. And then when yeah, I attach this handler to it, and when the handler is activated, I calculate the duration using my student number, and I get the end time. And while the current time is less than the end time, it keeps blinking, and it blinks with a frequency of 1/10 of the duration, which makes it blink 10 times throughout this whole duration. So I divide, because I'm delaying twice, and I want the whole delay duration to be 1/10 of the duration. So I divide by 20. So 1 over 20 plus 1 over 20 makes 1 over 10. And yeah, I showed the connections already, and I believe that's it. For some reason, it's flat out saying it's incompatible, so there's not much I can do about it. So that's my demo.